Welcome, everybody. What's going on? All right. Let's see. Seems like NQ took out some highs here, and I'm a little bit in favor of this sell side down there, to be honest. So we'll see how it goes, obviously. And what do we have? What else do we have? We have the market open, obviously, in about 2 minutes. Let's see the copy trader. Okay, copy trader is running. Perfect, perfect. What else do we have? Everything's set up. All right. So we have this area here, which is a 5-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, acting as possible support now. So we could see this one holding price for a little bit. Let's check quickly the 15-minute time frame. Fair value gaps down there. Nice swing low. Had some levels during the London session. We have a London low down there. Other than that, not too much. This is like a bearish order block here to the left, so it might want to go up there and retest it, but we'll see. Anthony, hey, what up? You just woke up just in time. You're right on time. Anyway, here comes the market open. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for the best possible move here and to decide where is the draw on liquidity. Okay, so here it comes. 3, 2, 1, and market is open. I think we have some news as well this morning. Gotta make sure. Gonna be also watching gold. A bit of a spike up there. Repriced that 5-minute gap. It looks like a good area to go short. Yeah, we have news at 10 a.m. News at 10 a.m. Herschel, what up? Good to see you back. Good to see you back. What's going on? All right, spiking higher. What's the mid-level of this candle? It's right here. I think it's gonna go and take the high, maybe. Okay, so this was the swing move. I think it's gonna take the high at 80. Pretty much seems like it. Yeah, there you go. Almost done it. But it should get it. There. Okay, so it took it. Liquidity swept up there. Taken from the 5-minute to the left. And this gap so far is holding as possible support. So There's nothing else. Nothing else I can go with here. Gold is dropping. ES most likely at the same spot. Gold is going down to a 1 hour fair value gap. But I'd like to see gold turn around and go back to 26.42 or 43. Erkan, what up? Can you tell about the new TikTok direct accounts which you prefer? I would go with the 100k. It's more than enough. I think there is no option for the 50k currently. So the 100k, the rules are pretty much simple. Safety threshold and take out the profits. They only have a rule for micro scalping so far. I just started to trade with them too. By the way, I'm gonna repeat myself again. Having the TikTok logo up there doesn't mean I'm not trading with ProfiTrade. I'm gonna change the banner completely for tomorrow. So ProfiTrade is also good. Everything's fine. I'm also affiliated with TikTok since a while. But I just dived into their accounts last week over the weekend. So I would go with the 100k. I don't think you need more. So, but the direct funded account is good. TikTok has been around since a while. They're paying out people. Rules are fairly simple. Yeah, that's it. It's going up. Look at that. It's just going up. Yeah, I think that this here, if we look to the 1 hour, sorry. No, not the 1 hour, 15 minute maybe. Yeah, 15 minute. On the 15 minute, it's like a bearish order block. Starting from 21.16. So I'm going to put a line there. 21.16. Sorry, quick phone call, just a minute. All right, quickie phone call. So to me, it seems like it might want to go to the order block at 21.15. Not really my type of entry, I must say. I'm still a little bit skeptical about this, and actually I'm not going to enter. No, I'm not entering. We have some volume imbalance down here right after the open. Let's check the first fair value gap. That's the 30. Not much really. On the mini, there's a small one. It's not really a huge thing there. We have a 3-minute liquidity void down there. I think we can go back to 938 super easy, especially after the news. Let's just wait. I'm gonna put a marker right here, so I'm not gonna forget. All right. 15. I feel like it can go to the order block, but I definitely have no idea about this. It has to go all the way to the 15. Took a small long position as a scalp. Here it is. Try to target the order block to the left, starting at 16. I'm gonna go with you know what? If it goes to 10, I can put it to break even. If it goes to 10, only with 2 micros. And it's not going. I'm gonna move my stop. If it starts to dump, obviously I'm just gonna, oh man. I really wanted this to go to the order block. It's not gonna go. I really wanted this to go to the order block. Hey Muhammad, what's up? No weird rules. Yeah, no weird rules, Arkan. Nothing weird. As far as I know, the only thing is the micro scalping, and I have to look into the news thing. But gold is dropping. I thought that's going to push NQ higher, but it doesn't seem like it wants to push it. What's the level down there? 38. 38. I'm gonna put a line. If it's not able to go up there to the order block, then obviously false alarm. Yeah, I closed the trade. Might go down to that 38 area. The macro scalping is like you cannot hold the trade for less than 10 seconds. I mean, sorry. So you don't close the trade for in less than 10 seconds, and don't go for like 2 or 3 or 4 ticks. But if, for example, you're holding the trade for more than 10 seconds and you have to close the position at break even or 2 ticks, that's all right. Or you enter the trade and it just skyrockets like 10 points or 15 points because something happens in the market, then obviously you can close it before 10 seconds. It doesn't really matter, they said, if it happens a few times here and there, as long as it's not the sole strategy. That's it. It's mostly for people who are using algorithms and automated trading for just going for 1 or 2 ticks or 3 ticks or something, and they're just opening, closing the positions like in a few seconds all the time. But if it happens like once or twice, it's all right. There's no issue about that. It's specifically against those algorithms that they're using. Personal daily loss limit. Well, on a funded account, since I trade mostly 50Ks, my personal loss limit is $600 or $700 on a funded account. If I go down $600 or $700 anytime during the day, I think that's a clear sign that, okay, I messed up. And if I continue, I'm just going to dig a deeper hole. So $600 or $700 negative, my chances are that it's going to be super hard to get out from the hole with the same risk. And I don't want to increase the risk. That would be the goal. That doesn't mean I go with the rules, but yeah. I try not to go until the daily loss limit sometimes. So some funded accounts have daily loss limits, some don't. But 600 or 700 on a 50K account, since I'm trading micros, should be enough. Also, if I make a few $100, $300, $400, $500 on a funded account profit, I stop there. I move on to the next one. That's it. I just move on and enjoy the day. No. What a start. Everybody's gonna wait for the 10 a.m. news, obviously. Okay, it's going for the order block, it seems like it. Should have stayed in the trade, right? Oh man. But I'm not entering. What's it gonna be, I wonder? Is it going to try to touch the order block or not? Maybe not. So the order block starts at 15.75. I entered another long trade. As a possible second chance. Hey Mo, what's going on? We also have the macro real soon. I might have to close it at the macro. I feel like it wants to push. Put it to break even. It's a scalp, but I'm at break even now. There. Nice. All right. Good. Finally. Finally something good. All right. So the reason behind this was the order block on the 15-minute chart to the left here. That's where it starts. So I thought that it should go there and touch it, and it did. And it did. What is gold doing? Gold went pretty much to the lows. Yeah, it got rejected on this 1 hour. Is this the 1 hour? Yeah, on this 1 hour BC or fair value gap, small rejection. I feel like today's target could be up there on gold. That's the drawn liquidity. Hopefully. If not, then we'll see. We'll find something else. And if this one's going to be continuously bullish here, then we should be taking out the 81. Okay. I'm going to extend this to the right, just so we can see where it wants to go. Bullish order block. So draw on liquidity could be down there also because this level was rejected. This 5 minute is kind of like an inversion gap here. Let's look at the first gap after the 9:30 open. It's here. And oops, and we have also a small imbalance below it. Oh, just a little bit. How far is this? It's 18, 15 points now. I think it's going down. Yeah, there you go. So this was the first gap. Let's see what it's gonna do. Let's see what it's gonna do. Just a second, another phone call. All right. So we're trading through this gap. Hey, Zoltan. Opening range. Watch out. Yeah. Bears are coming. And I have a feeling that we could go down to that 38-ish level. Down here. Just as I said it. Look at that. Boom. The thing is, yeah, I can't enter the trade because I can't trade on this MyFundedFutures funded account because there's news trading restriction on this one. They didn't clarify which news, but obviously gotta be careful with the news anyway. So so, let's get it. 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 So, let's get it as it goes into this first gap, I mean, it should go into it, and we should be seeing some sort of a reaction on that level. If we would see a bearish reaction, you know, then maybe we could go for it. Not sure. Daniel, what's up? What up? What up? Bearish? It could be bearish. Let's wait for the news. Less than 2 minutes. "30 seconds until the news." I think this is where it wants to go, down to 938. I'm almost certain. I'm almost certain that it wants to go there, but anyway. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here it comes. Okay. Repricing higher. And it just took out the 38. Just like that. Oh, I wish it would be so easy every day. I wish. All right, spiked out that level. Bearish. All right, took liquidity on both sides. Obviously, there is more down here. Gold didn't really do anything special. NQ took some lows. Okay. Question remains what it wants to do now. Let me go see the 1 hour. I don't trust the gold shorts. Well, it seems like... Okay, this was 9:30. What was the 7 a.m.? I need to put a vertical line to 7. Okay, so that was 7 a.m. and we have these lows which got rejected. And the 1 hour fair value got gap down there. It can still go down, especially if gold wants to go up. Accounts blown. Yeah, I mean, it's not funny, but yeah, I guess some accounts could be blown in this kind of move. So far, it's a little bit of a consolidation. Liquidity has been taken both sides. Hard to decide at this candle. Gold is down there in that gap. All right, there seemed to be a bit of a bullish push here. Buy side liquidity or draw on liquidity would be 21,081, which is previous day high. That would be the order block high on the 15-minute as well. And I'm gonna be watching that. Enter the long. Limit 20. Yeah, I would be looking for the levels up there. Small position. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Seems like there's a bit of a trouble with my girlfriend's car. Yeah, it's a chop zone. It pretty much seems like it's a chop zone. Chop City right now, to be exact. Okay. So I took a long here. This was the scalp that I did earlier. So even if I lose this, I'm gonna be in profit, but I thought that this is gonna go and take out the order block up there. Doesn't seem like it will. Yeah, good old FOMC day. FOMC day. I don't think it's gonna hold. I have a feeling about that. It's gonna take out this news candle low. But if it does, it's fine. Then I'm gonna be looking for something else. Yeah, they knew it. Oh, the car problem. My girlfriend has an old Mercedes A-Class. It's a 2007 A-Class. And there seemed to be... How can I don't know the English word for it. Let me look for translator here. Throttle valve issue. So it doesn't really want to go. You know, it's just going slowly, and when you press the gas pedal, it just doesn't really want to go. And so it should be actually it was in the at the shop, and they said the computer said an issue about the throttle valve. And now she's coming home and the car acting up weird again. And I told her to go back to the mechanic shop, and if I have to, I will go and bring her home with my car. So where can I add 3-minute chart to TradingView? It's simple. You just press number 3 and here you go. Or, you know, you just press up there where you see the time frames, and you can set up custom ranges, add custom into, oh, you don't see it anyway. You just press 3 or any number you like. 6-minute chart, 7-minute chart, you press 7. You know. Car no go. Yeah. The car doesn't want to go. I don't know what's going on here. I feel like it should take out the highs, but Crypto Panda, good morning. It's been a while. Oh yeah, you just press the number and it's gonna go there. You sent your girlfriend alone to the mechanic shop. Oh yeah, I know. But I know the guy. I know the guy who works there, and he has a wife. But what does that mean nowadays, anyways, right? No, I know the shop. That's a normal guy. 207 RT Charger. Oh, that's a beast. That's a beast. I like it. Well, if she can't come home with it, because she's teaching in a school in the next town next to us, it's like 30 kilometers from here. If she can't come home, then I might have to close the stream and take her home with my car. And hopefully they can fix it soon at the shop. Nothing is moving. So we're in the silver bullet hour. Silver bullet hour. Silver. I remember when ICT was first introducing the silver bullet. Oh my god, YouTube was full of silver bullet videos. My god, everywhere. ICT silver bullet, this, that. Everybody was an expert in the silver bullet all of a sudden. Yeah, it's a slow week. Slow week, Daniel. I agree. Okay, this NQ is just... I mean, at this point, I don't even mind if it's just gonna take out my stop there. Look at this. Looks terrible. I think it's gonna take me out. Obviously, we have liquidity down there. I think it wants to go. So, but I'm still being profit. I'll still be in. I'm gonna be in profit because it's just 1 micro here. But anyway, oh yeah, look at that. Has to be more liquidity down below, right? And you know, just going through the gap here. I think I'm just gonna close this trade manually. Yeah, I'm closing it. If it goes down, it has to go to even down to 22. Look at that. Down here, this one is kind of like an important level. This 5-minute gap. This was holding price. Also, you know, during the London session, and after that, it became pretty much significant here. Mission Impossible. Yeah, it could be. Interesting though. I took a long position on gold as well. This one. Took a long on gold. My target on gold is up there. Obviously, I will try to monitor it. Maybe I'm going to bring my TP down to 2640. Yeah, yeah. It's it is what it is, you know. And by the way, if you look at gold here on the 1 hour, this candle didn't go above this, so there's liquidity here, and we have some bigger levels up there. So I just decided to jump in. This 5-minute gap down there is still holding price. Maybe we're not done yet with the order block up there. Real trade making dollar with the head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Yeah, could be. Could be. Sorry, I was just reading something. Tom, will MyFundedFutures account get suspended? I was on a trade when. I don't think so that it's going to be suspended, because there is some details of what is tier 1 news, and they said somewhere on the website that you can still trade major news events. So they specifically outlined FOMC, NFP, and CPI news, but there wasn't any word about any other red folder news. So I think you're good, because they somewhere in the website they said that they are not forbidding or they're not forbidding trader to trade red folder news, and then they specifically mentioned FOMC and those others. So I don't think there's any issue there. And by the way, I think you would already be suspended, because they said, not now but somewhere back a few months ago, that it is automated under this automated, and they were talking about it on the Discord. So if you trade during the news, there's an algorithm that monitors the accounts, and they're just automatically shut down the account access. So you would know by now that you violated the rules. So I think you're okay. 99.99%. I think it's perfectly fine. You're welcome. You're welcome. So you should be absolutely fine. You can check later just to make sure if you can place limit orders on the account, but I think you can, because I know that I remember, and it's on the website. I can't find it now, but you can find it maybe. But trust me, there is somewhere written that you can still trade major news, but the top tier 1 news, which is the FOMC, NFP, and CPI, that's the ones that are a no-go. London low and Asia low are like in same area. Yeah, that could be. That could be. So far, this 5-minute gap is holding. That's why I don't know. Finally passed Bulenox. Congratulations! I requested qualification on Thursday morning. Yet receive any email. It's up to 2 or 3 business days. Zinga. 2 or 3 business days. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be activated. Trust me, big. They need the money. I mean, every prop firm needs the money. It's gonna be activated. I mean, the activation link is gonna be on your dashboard. You can log into your dashboard and check if there's an activation link, but it should be there. If you don't see it in 72 hours, if you write to support in business hours, they're going to do the activation 100%. I mean, the link. They're going to send you the link 100%. 200%, actually. Look at that, it's going up now. Oh, sorry, just have to send a quick message here. Give me a moment. I'm sorry. Just a moment, please. Look at that. It's just going higher. No stopping this one. What is going on? Maybe we're still gonna go and take out that order block. Who knows? I think the next target should be the first gap at 982. Oh, Crypto Panda, you should have seen the London session. We had two beautiful trades on NQ. I had one loss on gold, but that doesn't matter. We had two beautiful trades in London session. It was really picture perfect trades. I think the best trades I had in the past like 2 weeks. So it was good. I was very happy. I didn't make too much profit with it, but hey, I enjoyed it really much. I really enjoyed it. So it was okay. I guess we can expect more sessions like this both in New York and London, like more consolidation at these levels. By the way, here's the gold trade. Yeah, I'm still hovering here. And this trade, I don't know. We should be going into that first gap now. Look at that. You know, it's art. Actually, it's beautiful. It is actually beautiful. In a way. In a certain way. The mental joy, exactly, Crypto Panda, 100% agree. The mental joy, enjoying what you do in trading, you know, the confidence that you were doing the tape reading right. That I really like that part. You know, I'm not even talking about the profits, but the thing that I could read the market properly. That is really something I like. And I was enjoying that trade. All right, going down a little bit here. There is one more gap down here. It might want to pick up some liquidity from there. And I'm still wondering if it wants to go higher. We'll see. It might not. Okay, down to this 1 minute gap. Let's see the reaction from here. If this one is not gonna go up there, then obviously there are some good levels on the downside too. It's not about seeing your trades play out. Yeah, that's the thing that counts. I don't know what to think about this situation, but so far it picked up liquidity here on that gap, and it feels like it might want to go up, but no. Feels weird. But I can actually imagine that it might want to go. Gold is slowly moving up as well. So that's interesting. It would be great to scalp this. You know, seeing some kind of a reaction with that gap up there. All right, so far nothing. Actually, it can turn into a bearish scenario here. Very, very easily. If it does, then it can go down to 917. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm taking long, trying to scalp this. Negative R. I'm just looking for that fair value gap up there. Nothing more. I'm closing it manually if it's failing to go. Looking for that 80 level. Actually, I'm gonna move my TP to 80. Just a quick scalp, nothing more. If it's not gonna go, I'm closing it. Ah, come on. Oh man. Just one push. That's all I needed. One push into the first gap. Just a second. All right. All right, sorry. The mechanical issue with the car has been partially solved. We know what's wrong. We have to buy the part, and it will be all right. Nice catch. Yeah, it was a nice little catch there. It was a good one. It was a good one. And it's still going up. What about the gold trade? I'm still in the gold. Right here. I'm going to put it to break even, you know, just to make sure. I'm putting it to break even. Yes, pushing higher. Oh yeah, look at that. It could go for, you know, it took out the news candle low. Could go for the high here at 6,025. Oh my god. All right, we're here. Too many phone calls. So ES is pushing up there. Gold is pushing. And for now, it seems like it seems like it's inverting this this gap here. And if it does, we could see this one going even high. Oh, it's not inverting. All right. Never mind. Not yet, at least. Ooh, wow. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? Okay, nice reaction here. Didn't take out the news candle high though. So still not over yet. Gold trade is on. From data highs. Okay, 50-pointer day gives the 9-5 away. Congratulations, real folks. Got my 8-ball. I made some good trades myself. London session was good. Made some profits on this session too. I made a few $100s on the funded accounts each. So, but it's a slow grind. You know, I have to be careful. You know, I try to aim to get some payouts in December, but I might going to need time until the second half of the month. So it's gonna take some time. Interesting. Divergence with RSI. Oh, okay. Let's see what it does, right? It still looks kind of bullish to me. So I would say it can go higher. Okay. Okay. Interesting. What's the 5 minutes showing? Nothing special here on the 5 minute. I would say it's still bullish. Might be going lower. Sorry, I was reading something. I'm here. I'm here. Sorry, everybody. Went for 1-on-1. Lost the first one, won the second full TP. Let's go. Green Day. Yeah, that's how it's done. 912. Good target. 912. Yeah, I would say so. Especially because we still have this gap down there, which has not been closed down. So this can turn into a bearish scenario too. So I've met all the ProfiTrade payout conditions, but the payout request button is disabled. Do you know why? If they do not pay out, they do pay out everybody, T-Bone. I don't know. Maybe there's something that's missing on your payout, or you can only request. I don't know. But we just had a couple of people today as well who got paid out from ProfiTrade, and I don't know, T-Bond. I don't know. So the trading days or something, you know, there has to be something today. Okay, so you have to wait until tomorrow, I think. I'm sure it should be all right. Yeah, after the market close. Yeah, after the market close, T-Bond, you should be okay, because so far everybody that we know of has been paid, and they're rolling out the payments 3 times a week. So thank God they're doing okay. But yeah, the frustration, I know it could be the PTSD, as we talked about it, you know. I entered the long. Just for a small scalp here. Where is it? No, not this one. This one. On NQ. Actually, I'm gonna move. Maybe I'm gonna move it a little bit higher. Who knows? You know what? I'm gonna actually move it higher. If it goes, where should it go, right? To 21K. I'm gonna move my TP 94.50. If it takes out this high at 75.50, I might going to move my stop to break even, but we'll see. It's on the table. It could be. I guess so too. It could be. I feel like that the news candle high could be a possible target now. I don't know. I would love to move my stop, but I don't like this candle. I don't like this candle. Yeah, it looks like a good draw on liquidity. Yeah, up there. Moving my stop. If it trades below that level, obviously it's not gonna happen. Picking up liquidity up there and going down, then it's not gonna be my trade anyway. Small loss, it's fine, it's perfectly fine. Yeah, all right. Small loss. Okay. No more fooling around. What does this do? What the heck is going on around here? I might even take a short. Not even joking. Look at this shift here. You know, going back down there. Could that be a possible target? We're past the 11 a.m. session. But I don't know. Immediate reprice of this area could be closing bullish. Okay, fair value gap here. Oh, it seems like it wants to go. Yeah, we're in a macro. Or we were, yeah. Okay, it's bullish. It's going. It's going. And if this one is going, then it should be taking out the 21K. You know, news candle high. That is what I'm thinking. Could be wrong, of course. We still have the first fair value gap here. Oh yeah. Feels like it. Drawn liquidity could be there. 999.75. We'll see. This gap is kind of a strong area here. It's acting up real nicely. So the first fair value gap does have a pretty significant role in the throughout the day, I would say. Passed another career count today. Nice. Congratulations. Let's go, Crypto Panda. I'm happy for you. Super happy. Super duper happy. I don't know what's up with me today, but I'm kind of feel good. And it's not because of the profits or anything. I just, I don't know what. I haven't even drank alcohol yet, so I don't know. Yet. No alcohol yet. Ludafish Savage, what up? Hey there. What's going on? What is going on? By the way, I took a long position in this area. It will be a scalp trade again. It will be a scalp trade. It has a negative R, which doesn't really matter at this point because I'm gonna close it manually. And my gold trade is still running. I don't know where it is. Okay, here it is. The gold trade is at break even, but I don't know what's up with it. Should be going up. I want to see the 21K up there. Looking for a late scalp entry. 965. Yeah, I was a little bit late too. But what can we do, right? Oh man, my gold trade is gonna go to the dumpster. I was really hoping that the gold will start to go higher. Maybe NQ will start to go for the order block finally. Up there, way up there at 2181. That would be great. Anyway. Oh no. NQ dropped down a little bit. I don't like that. If my NQ trade fails, I think I'm gonna keep the rest of the profits. I will still end up in green, but you know what? I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call it here. I have my trade on still, but I'm just gonna set it and forget it like this. I don't care. It's a negative R. I'm gonna leave it. So, guys, ladies and gents, I think I'm gonna go. And coming back tomorrow early morning. There might gonna be an issue because I might have to go and take the car to, take my girlfriend to work, and I don't know how the London Open is gonna be. But thank you so much for watching. It was a great day. I enjoyed it, and see you guys tomorrow sometime sometime tomorrow. Thanks for being here. If you'd like to support, as always, please use my codes and links. Thank you so much. Trade safe, be safe, and God bless you all. Thank you. Cheers.